Hey guys, Irene here. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm gonna be doing a FaceTime photo shoot. I know it's a bit strange and I personally never thought that I'm gonna do a photo shoot like that, but as we are all stuck at home and really itching to create something, we have to resort to this. The first person that I saw do this was Alessio Albi, and he is the absolute legend and god of photography. I absolutely love his work. If you guys are not following him yet, I will link him in the description down below, so definitely check him out. But he started doing these photo shoots with models remotely using FaceTime and screenshotting the moments that he really liked, then editing them and posting them on his Instagram. I just thought that that was an absolutely genius idea. So I knew I had to try this out for myself. I'm very much known for, using bokeh, buttery backgrounds, using my nice lenses. So this was definitely a challenge for me, and I wanted to see if I can create something cool just using FaceTime. So this was my first attempt at it. I set up a call with my sister Orisa. She actually just moved to Boston, so I wasn't able to shoot with her for a while now. So this was actually quite perfect. Hello. We try to think of some creative ideas, playing around with light and some of the props that she had around her house, but ultimately I ran into a lot of problems. First of all, the quality was so bad. Oh my god, I just did not like using the screenshots. The second big problem was actually taking the screenshot itself. So on my phone I have to hold two buttons to take a screenshot. I have to hold the power button and the volume down button, and it's a little bit slow as well. So every time I saw something that I really liked and I wanted to take a picture, it would not press correctly, or I would be too slow. So there were a lot of moments that I missed, and that really annoyed me. Oh, one more because you blinked. Don't move. Screenshot won't take. Oh, okay, there we go. Just one more like that. Oh, this damn screenshot. Okay, stay where you are. So the same day that we shot this, I saw another photographer do these FaceTime photo shoots, but he had a different perspective on it. Instead of taking a screenshot, he actually was taking a picture of his phone and adding some creative backgrounds to it, and I was like, oh my god. I thought that this was such a great idea, and it solved pretty much all of my problems. First of all, I'm able to add my own creative element into this picture by making the background very feminine and pretty. Second of all, I can get way better quality out of these images. And third, I don't have to rely on the screenshotting of the image. I can actually take as many pictures as I want. So that's exactly what we did. I set up another call with my sister, and that's the behind the scenes. Okay, this is the next day. We're gonna try out shooting differently, using the camera instead of screenshotting the call from the phone. So I'm using the Canon EOS R and the 50mm 1.2 RF. These are the new RF lenses. So yeah, let's call Orisa and let's see if this works better. Okay, so we have Orisa. She's putting up her backdrop right now. So Orisa's using a TV box. It's like a golden tablecloth, like a table cover.
They were chair.
Oh, okay. They were chair covers. Oh, you glued them together. I see that.
Yes.
It's beautiful. Okay, I'm gonna, while she's doing that, I'm gonna set her already on my little station. So here, what I decided to do is I have some fabric that's like orangey, and then Orisa is wearing like an orange dress, and then I have these flowers right here, and I'm gonna cover like the sides of my phone with them because my phone has like little scratches on the side and I don't really want them to be seen much. So hopefully that helps with like covering, and it kind of adds like a nice little touch to the picture. Okay, oh, you know what, maybe this lavender would look nice, like a little bit like on the side in here as well, like kind of like this. Yeah, I think that would look nice. Yeah, that looks good. Okay, that looks nice. Okay, Arissa is ready. I'm gonna have to like do the stance while I'm shooting. Do you remember that pose you were doing with like the hands kind of like lower and like more with your back? Yeah. Like yeah, I really like that. And do even more with your back. Yes, exactly. That's really nice. Do you remember you were putting like hands kind of like this? Can you see me?
Yeah.
Kind of like this.
Yeah.
Because I can't see. Yes, a little bit further away, but yeah. And then scoot your back. Yeah. Yes, exactly. Yeah. That's the pose. Yes. I love that. Yes, like that. That's really gorgeous. So it's actually finding her eye like really well. So it's recognizing the face. So I don't really have to focus much. It's just focusing on her eye right away. Yes, gorgeous it is. What if you again put the straps down and hold your dress like with your hands? Yeah. And kind of like lean in the front just a tiny bit. Yes, exactly. Yes, that's beautiful. Oh my god, I love these. And let's try some straight on. Oh my god, I have to like take little breaks because my legs. Woo! Maybe I try like this.
Pause on me.
Oh, and can you do like no straps? So hold the straps down. Yes, oh my god, that looks gorgeous. Yes. Give me more shoulder. Yes. Gorgeous. Okay, let's do maybe one more setup. Do you have any, what other colors do you have? Ooh. Like for clothing? So that I can like coordinate it.
Well, I had the red dress from yesterday.
Yeah, red. Yeah.
I have the blue one as well. I have black one and daisies.
I did like that white blouse you were wearing as well, like at the very beginning.
Okay. I also have another white blouse.
Oh yes, the satin one. Yeah, I like that one. Can you put that one on?
Yeah, this one.
Yeah, let's do that one. Okay, so she's gonna be doing like the white. It's kind of like a beigey blouse. So I do really like this idea of having this book in here. Like that looks really, really good. Okay, I think I'm gonna do this right here. It's like demonetized. There we go. Now we're not demonetized. Ooh, that looks really, really nice. It is.
Okay, with my sweatpants.
Yeah. Okay, so I'm getting this ready. So do you remember that the room where it was just like that white wall? Can we do that again?
Yep.
And I'm just setting up these little flowers all around the camera. Okay, I think the setup looks good. Let me try to take some pictures. Yeah, it would be nice to have like the more light in your eyes. Yeah, just get as close to the window as possible, like yourself. Yeah, just simple portraits. Yeah. Yeah, that's nice. Okay, and I think we got this look, Oris. So let's do like one last one. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna hold you and I'm gonna use like the bokeh in the window. I wanted to try that. Okay, all right, Oris. Oh, I think we got it. I think we got the pictures. I think it looks really nice. So thank you.
You're welcome.
Okay, bye.
Bye.
Okay, so the one with Oris is done. I'm also gonna try a few more pictures with Lesha, but that's in about an hour. Okay, this is a very elaborate setup. It goes more into the setup than like the picture itself.
Yeah.
But it's gonna look...
I'm just part of the setup.
Yes. It's pretty fun. Okay. Honestly, at this point, it's just like, it's a picture of bokeh with Lasha in the middle of it.
Yay!
Beauty. What if for this one, we go more like cute? Do you have a vintage camera or like a camera that you shoot on?
I have like...
We'll have you kind of like using it as if, you know, as if you're like, we gotta make this like more cutesy just because it's like all this bokeh around you. So like that, like cutesy vibe. Yeah, exactly. Yeah, that's perfect. Yes. Yeah, what? Yes, yeah, that's really cute. Okay, so do that where you were putting it on the side of your eye, like that, but take off the strap around. Just kind of like hold it on the side so that I don't see it. Yeah. Oh, that's super cute. Oh my god, I love this. Brandon Waffles quaking. Yeah, no, I like it better when you have it like as if you're shooting. Yeah. Yeah, that's super cute. I hold it actually the other way, so that's why I hold it like a weirdo. Yeah. Oh, now you're holding it like me. That's what. Oh, actually, that's kind of cute. You were kind of laughing like that, and so I have to make you laugh, huh? Okay, I'm really bad at that. Okay, I think we got the bokeh ones. Let's quickly do one more, just like simple one with just the bokeh background. Okay. Oh yeah, that's really nice. Yeah. I kind of want something. Yeah, that's nice with the hand. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, you can be sassy here. I think that like works with the outfit. Yeah. Oh, what if you give me like the, you know, like the kiss, like the blowing kiss? Yes, yeah. Yes, there we go. That's the interaction. That's really cute. Yes, that's really nice. Okay, well, thank you so much. I think we got some really cute pictures. All right, well, thank you again. I'll talk to you. Okay, bye.
Sounds good. Bye.
Okay, now I have to clean this up. Look at all this mess. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Give it a like, subscribe to my channel, and let me know down below in the comments if you would like to see more videos like this. It was definitely a challenge, but it was really fun, and I think I'm gonna try to do this again. So yeah, let me know your thoughts, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye! I probably look like a goblin. Ah! I really hope that was recorded. Okay, so this is what Oresa's setup looks like. Because she doesn't have the actual like tripod for the phone, so she's just gluing everything onto her tripod. Back to my YouTube channel. Luna just runs in my shot. Brandon Waffles quaking.
Gross, people are gonna see your weird long toes.
Are my toes in the shot? It's gonna go straight on Wiki Feet, and then people are gonna rate it ugly feet.